Megapoxy H is a low-viscosity hydrophilic epoxy resin for many types of bonding and filling applications. It is clear setting or available in N35 grey and available in conveniently packaged 4 and 20 litre kits with a simple 3:1 mix ratio. Before you begin mixing, you'll need to ensure that all contact surfaces like metal, concrete and stone are clean and clear of oil, dust and any other surface contaminants. Concrete and stone surfaces should be prepared by grinding the surface and removing all the dust and debris. This helps ensure effective bonding contact. Compressed air can be used to remove dust from cracks and holes. Clean metal surfaces with acetone to remove any oils or contaminants. Megapoxy H is VOC-free. As with all epoxy resins, please wear appropriate PPE, including eyewear, gloves and clothing when mixing and applying the product.
Megapoxy H is a low viscosity hydrophilic liquid epoxy resin. It has a 30-minute work time with a 24-hour cure. It's available in clear and also in N35 grey, which is an Australian standard colour. Megapoxy H is a 3-part A to 1 part B ratio product. Nice and liquid. Again, you would use normally mixing the volume that is required for that 30-minute work time. Even with the clear, you can see the differences between the part A and the part B. We will mix this for 3 minutes using a timer as recommended. With the Megapoxy H, you can see it go from clear, milky to back to clear again once it's mixed. In the first 2 minutes, make sure that you're scraping the bottom of the container and into all the corners of the container, getting all the unmixed product off the base and from the corners. There's no need to rapidly mix this. It's quite easily mixed by hand, even in larger volumes when doing larger projects. After the 2 minutes is up, make sure to scrape the sides again to remove any unmixed product off the sides of the mixing container. Scrape the spatula, again, any unmixed product to get off that. After we've cleaned the spatula, it's now streaky. Mix for another 1 minute. After 1 minute, it should be quite streak-free and ready to use. After mixing the product, even with the amount of bubbles in there, they will come to the surface as it warms up. For non-hydrophilic applications, we also have a rapid set hardener for Megapoxy H, H315. Once the Megapoxy H has been fully mixed, it can also have fine aggregates added to it to be able to make epoxy mortars. To make this epoxy mortar quite easily, it's best to use a ratio of 3:1:12, 3 parts A, 1 part B, and 12 sands, using the same container for each part. Doesn't matter whether you use a 1 litre container or a 5 litre container, depending on the size of your project.
Megapoxy H is recommended for filling and repairs for wet to dry and new to old concrete bonding, concrete cracks, steel anchoring and underwater or splash zone structures and surfaces. Mixed with dry aggregate, Megapoxy H is ideal for non-slip floors and as an epoxy mortar for bridge and rail load bearing pads, as well as industrial machinery grouting. Megapoxy H is a water and food-safe contact material for commercial surfaces. Applying Megapoxy H is easy and fast. Uncured H can be cleaned with Megapoxy thinners. It will cure even in cold or damp conditions, stronger than concrete with good chemical resistance. It can be applied by paintbrush directly onto cracks or poured in using a craft source bottle. For more tips and the technical datasheet on this or any of our other world-class products, visit our website at megapoxy.com.